For providers, health advocacy is often seen as an external activity led by patients and caregivers to efficiently navigate the medical landscape. This traditional perception was viewed as a helpful but hands-off aspect of patient care. However, a modern approach to self-health advocacy has emerged and has now become a powerful tool that transforms clinicians' point-of-care services into collaborative and coordinated pathways to wellness. With that said, I would like to introduce you to Patient Better. This program is the catalyst that bridges the gap between health providers and home care teams to foster a safer care environment throughout the patient's journey. Designed for ease of use, the Patient Better program and innovative software integrates smoothly with your record system and existing workflows, much like ordering durable medical equipment. From home, patients learn the essentials of modern self-health advocacy. Our software streamlines the consumer's health management activities and provides providers with vital data. This collaboration is crucial in enhancing patient outcomes and optimizing the costs of treatment. If you're ready to elevate your practice and streamline patient management, take the next step in exploring the Patient Better program with a free, no-obligation demo. Thank you for watching.